So what I've got here, along with these here, as you've seen previous, so with these here comes the connectors and pins, and I was going to make my own loom. However, the nice chaps at Speedy EFI in America, you can buy a pre-pinned loom. So effectively this is what I'm going to make my engine harness out of, and it'll just save a lot of time. So this came from America. It came within 7 days. Ran to the UK, cleared customs, and was with me. So basically it's got everything already pinned. So if you were to use it all, the chances are I won't use it all. However, this is the diagram with the corresponding colours. This should save a lot of time. What I have gone and done is put a bulkhead rubber connector on whilst I make up the loom, because what I have got is I need to feed it through the firewall of the car. So there's already a hole drilled, which conveniently is the same hole as this. So I'm just going to feed that through, and then that will run along here and then into the engine bay once the engine is in. So that's all in now, that's fed through, test fitted. The grommet is a good fit. It really does fit nice and snug. So again, what this has in it is all the cabling. It's got the shielded cable for the cam and crank sensor should you want to use them. I'll be using both, and subsequently all the corresponding colours as per the diagram. So I may not use them all. It does flex fuel and things, and ethanol. E85 is not readily available in the UK, so chances are that I won't. But what I'll probably do is just put a bulkhead or breakout connector somewhere here, and then should I ever want to expand or change anything, and I can just tap into whatever is not utilised straight away. So yeah, it's a really good solution. Automotive grade cabling is a really good solution. It should save me some time in pinning it and trying to get into the Molex connector. So this is a big help. Fantastic. So also in the box, relay, and the as mentioned previously, this is the inlet air temperature sensor. So this is the GM. And the corresponding pigtail with the connector, as mentioned. So that is going to go into this pipe, and we should be good to go. Along with that, I've also got a switch panel just to get away from the key. So effectively, ignition on, engine start, and then accessories. So these are generic, but it'll do what be perfect for what I want it to do. And obviously, because it says for racing use only, obviously that adds about 50 horsepower. So yeah, so that's about it.